Look, hello guys. This is my India. This is the city of Hyderabad. हाँ भाई हाँ कीला निकाल दिया. I came here to repair my bike which got punctured in the morning. So you can see how uh, uh, people have done their PT jobs at the roadside. You may get grocery stores. You can see in front of me, right opposite to me. You can see. Right now, I'm sitting in a puncture shop, and the guy, puncture repairing guy, is repairing my bike. I am just making this video to show the world how people get done their PT jobs in their streets, near their houses, etc. etc. You can see people are going and coming. This is a small colony. This is called uh, uh, Moti Darwaza Road. You can see here uh, a little tea stall is there, a electrician shop is there, a milk shop is there, and a hair cutting salon is there. You can see. Look, the puncture guy is making my bike at roadside. Most people get their job done like this only. Look, he don't have proper facility like in foreign countries, developed countries. Most jobs these people do on roadside. This is the shop, and the air compressor is getting filled by air. Motor is attached to there. You can see tubes and some lubricant oil, etc. And this is his counter. And this is these bottles are petrol bottle. Because the petrol pump gas station is very far from here, so these little vendors buy petrol, and they mix kerosene oil in petrol, and they sell it on high prices. Okay guys, I'll try to show more things, more about India, more our lovely India, about little things. Hope you will enjoy.